Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. When one AirPod drops the connection intermittently or stops working altogether for no apparent reason, you might think that you bought the fake ones. However, maybe it's not. In today's video, I'll show you how to solve this problem. Method 1. Return AirPods to the charging case. If there is a poor connection between the phone and earbuds, take the AirPods and put them back in your charging case. Leave them there for a few moments. Then take it back and have a try. Method 2. Disable and reactivate Bluetooth on your iPhone. Simply swipe down from the top right of the screen. In the control center, tap the airplane mode icon. Wait for 10 seconds. And then tap it again to turn Bluetooth back on. It can eliminate minor technical glitches. Method 3. Disable automatic ear detection. Go to Settings. Tap AirPod Settings. Then disable the automatic ear detection option. This is a feature that automatically detects when your AirPods are in your ears. But it can also cause the audio to disconnect, especially if you tend to fidget with the left or the right AirPod while wearing them. Method 4. Forget your AirPods and pair them again. Put your AirPods in the charging case. Go to Settings. Tap the name of your AirPods just below your Apple ID banner. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap Forget this device. Locate the small button on the back of the case, near the bottom. Open the charging case lid. Press and hold the button on the back of the case for at least 15 seconds. The case's internal light between the AirPods will flash white and then amber. Then it has been reset. It's possible there is a problem with the way they are paired. Method 5. Update firmware on your AirPods. Head to Settings. AirPods is Settings. Scroll down and check whether firmware version is up to date. If your AirPods don't stay connected, outdated device firmware might be the reason behind the issue. But please make sure to check the firmware in the connected state. Okay, here is today's tutorial. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Stay tuned for our next video.